Hey there, car lovers! Welcome to the land of the rising sun, Japan. Home of sushi, karaoke, and now to awesome family SUVs. Picture this, one's a rugged adventure that loves getting muddy, and the other's a fancy pants. Sleek machine that's faster than me running for donuts. Before we get into it, hit that subscribe button. Smash that like, and ding the bell thingy. Bell? Okay, let's do this. First up, we've got the 2025 Honda Pilot. It's the Swiss Army knife of SUVs. Practical, reliable, and with a 3.5-liter stick that cranks out 285 horses. Front-wheel drive, check. All-wheel drive, double check. And it gets 23 to 27 miles per gallon, which means more road trips and less gas station snacks. Prices start at $40,200 and go up to $54,580. Now, say hello to the 2025 Acura MDX. Ooh la la! This is the Pilot's cooler. Rich your cousin who drinks fancy coffee and always looks good. You get two engine options. A 290 horsepower stick or a turbocharged 355 horsepower beast. And it's got the same front or all-wheel drive options, but it's a bit thirstier with 21 to 26 mpg. The price? Well, it starts at $51,200 and can climb to $75,000 to $150 for the top trims. That's like a lot of donuts, people. The Honda Pilot is perfect for adventures like me. If I ever left the couch, the Trailsport trim is ready for off-road action with skid plates, off-road suspension, and even a camera to watch the trails for you. Plus, it's got remote start, great for warming it up on frosty donut runs, and a conversation mirror so you can keep an eye on the kiddos to stop poking your sister. Classic! But of course, it's not perfect. Fewer engine choices than the MDX. Cloth seats is standard bowl, and the touchscreen, only 9 inches, while the MDX has a whopping 12.3-inch screen. It's like comparing my tiny TV to Flanders' fancy setup. Now the MDX has all the bells and whistles you could want. Heated mirrors, 11 speakers, a panoramic moonroof. It's like a concert on wheels. And if you spring for the Typist trim, you get Brembo brakes, cornering speed assist, and adaptive air suspension. Fancy. Huh? It's like driving a spaceship, only it doesn't take you to the moon, which is a bummer. But it's not all sunshine and donuts. The MDX costs way more, like $10,000 more for the base and $20,000 more for the Typist. Ouch! And it's smaller inside, seating only 7 compared to the Pilot's 8. So if you've got a big family, the MDX might feel a little snug. So here's the deal, folks. The Honda Pilot is perfect for big families, road trips, and off-road adventures. It's tough, practical, and easy on the wallet. But if you want luxury, performance, and don't mind spending extra dough, the Acura MDX is calling your name. Either way, you can't lose unless you forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell thingy. Now let me know in the comments, which one would you pick? I'll be reading and eating donuts.